Jim is looking at the properties dialog box for an agent. Which one of the following best describes the use of the Allow User Activation option? Option A. Allows users with author access or above in the ACL to run an agent. Option B. Allows users with editor access or above in the ACL to run an agent. Option C. Allows users with editor access or above in the ACL to enable an agent. Option D. Allows users with author access or above in the ACL to enable an agent. The correct answer is option C. For which one of the following reasons would Richard distribute an encryption key? Option A. To allow users to access a locally encrypted database. Option B. To allow users to read an encrypted field in his Domino application. Option C. To allow mail recipients who have access to his private key to read emails he sends. Option D. To allow mail recipients who have access to his public key to read the emails he sends. The correct answer is option B. Deirdre is periodically asked to update the reader's field in documents created with the sales order form. If a person's name changes, he or she is no longer able to access documents he or she had been able to access in the past. Deirdre would like the reader's fields to be automatically updated when someone's name has been changed in the Domino directory. How can she do this? Option A. Open the Security tab of the Sales Order Form properties. Place a check mark next to Enable Admin Updates. Option B. Open the Advanced tab of the Database ACL. In the selection list for action, choose Modify All Readers and Authors fields. Option C. Open the Security tab of the Database Properties. In the selection list for administration actions, choose Update All Readers and Authors fields. Option D. Ask a Notes administrator to enable Maintain Reader/Author field consistency on the Security tab of the server document for her application server. The correct answer is option B. Carmen created 2 new roles in the ACL of her database, naming one role DB Admin and the other role Sales Manager. She now wants to add a Computed Authors field to the sales order form to include both of these roles. What should Carmen enter in the value formula for this field? Option A. DB Admin, Sales Manager. Option B. DB Admin, Sales Manager. Option C. At Authors, DB Admin, Sales Manager. Option D. At Authors DB Admin, Sales Manager. The correct answer is option A.